Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2016-2017 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the spanner light as well as the service light, which is overdue on this. I've already done the service. I've done an MOT on it as well as the rear coil springs. But I'm going to show you the service light. If you come forward. First thing first, I'm going to show you what we're resetting exactly. So what we've got to do, we've got to reset that spanner light, and you'll see in the middle here, few seconds, here we go, engine oil change due, service required. So what I need to do is, I'm going to switch the ignition off again, switch the ignition on, press the brake and accelerator immediately. You do the brake first and then the accelerator. As you can see, this spanner light's gone now. It has to be for 25 seconds. I'm going to try to get both in. Has to be 25, innit? Why can't they be like 10 seconds, you know? My feet are getting tired. Oh no. Right, okay, let's take it there, Mickey Mouse. Today be nice. Right, okay, so that's changed to something else, but the light still hasn't come on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch, take my foot off the brake and accelerator, switch the ignition off. I now need to wait 2 minutes. There's no point you being on the camera with me for 2 minutes. I'm going to pause the recording right here and then resume from the same position. Right, okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the ignition on, and you can see the spanner light in the middle right there. That's gone off. There's no warning lights coming on here as well. So just to confirm, press the brake because it's automatic and start the car up. Wait 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. That's all good. Right, that's all it was. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for Ford. Do check it out and leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.